Hello student, my name is Anjum Turak. I am from Goa. I have a coaching center in Parvari. So today I am solving some questions from the model paper given by the Goa Board teachers for my Goan students for the exam held on 17th of March. So from this model paper we will solve model paper question paper 1 and the question will be question number 9, issue of shares. How we have to solve this question. The question number 9 is JAM Limited forfeited 3000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at a premium of rupees 2 for non-payment of allotment money of rupees 4 including premium. The first and final call of 3 per share has not made, means the final call of rupees 3 per share is not made, and after that 40% of the forfeited shares were not reissued. That means what? 60% are reissued at rupees 7 per share, reissued at rupees 7 per share. So fully paid up word is not given. That means what? It is 7 paid up, because first and final call is of 3 rupees. So that means what? 7 rupees is called up yet. So first thing, will calculate the application allotment, first call and final call money. So application per share, okay. Allotment is what? Allotment is 2 plus 2. That means what? 2 rupees is premium. And here it is given that first and final call is of 3. The total face value of the share is how much? 10 rupees. Out of that 3 rupees is first and final call. This is first and final call. So that means after that there are no any other call. So 3 rupees is first and final call and 2 rupees on allotment. That means application will be of 10 minus 3 minus 2, rupees 5 on application. This 3 rupees call is not yet made by the company or called by the company. It's not called by the company. Not called up. That means what? 7 rupees is called up, including premium. Premium is different. Premium 7 rupees is call money and 2 rupees is premium. So first we have to pass the journal entries for forfeiture and reissue related. So we have to draw the format journal entries in the books of JAM Limited. You know the format is date column, particular column, amount, LF, amount, date column, particular column, LF column, this is LF column, amount and amount. Okay. Now here the call money and application money related entries are no need to pass the entries for application and allotment. Only we have to pass the entry for forfeiture. So what will be the entry of forfeiture? When the shares are forfeited, which account is debited? Equity share capital account is debited. For how many shares? 3000 shares. What was the called up amount? Called up was 5 plus 2, 7. 3 rupees is not yet called by the company. So what is the called up money? 7. So 3000 into 7, how much it will be? 21,000, right? And the money which is not received is what? Is called calls in arrear. So here he paid the non-payment of allotment money of rupees 4 including premium, and the first and final call is not yet made. So SPR also he did not pay. So SPR means what? Securities premium reserve also not paid by that person. On how many shares? 3000 shares, 2 rupees SPR is not paid. When the SPR is not paid, it should be debited. Once it is collected, it cannot be cancelled. So in the entry of forfeiture, if it is collected, it will not be debited. If the SPR is not paid by that holder, then only it will be debited to the entry of forfeiture. Okay, SPR account debit, 2 calls in arrear. Calls in arrear will be how much now? 3000 shares. Which call is not paid by him? This allotment. 2 plus 2, 4 rupees is not paid. So into 4. 4 3s are 12. For Goa Board students, calculator is allowed, so don't take chance. Calculate and write it. 2, that means what? This one debit should be equal to the credit. Now 12,000 is calls in arrear, right? So remaining amount, that means what? 21 plus 6 minus 12. Remaining amount is how much? 15,000 will be forfeited by the company. Share forfeiture account, where it will be credited 15,000. Otherwise you can calculate that way also. 3,000 into 5 rupees is paid by that holder. So 3,000 into 5, 15,000 is paid. So narration being 3,000 shares forfeited for non-payment of allotment money. Done. This is the entry of forfeiture. Now after that, what is given? 40% of the forfeited shares were not reissued. That means what? 40% is not reissued. That means 60% is reissued. 40% of the forfeited shares were not reissued and the balance were reissued at 7 per share. So 60% balance of 3,000. How much it will be? We'll do working note. So working note, out of that 3,000 shares, 60% is reissued. So how much it will be? 3,000 into 60%. 1,800 shares reissued. This working note is very important. Whenever this type of calculation is there, give working note. 1,800 shares are reissued. At what rate? At rupees 7. At rupees 7. See, this is not fully paid up share. This is not fully paid up. Why? Because 3 rupees is not yet called by the company. That means the called up is 7. Premium is apart. So 7 rupees is called up and it is reissued at 7. That means what? It is reissued at par. So reissued entry, for reissue we'll pass the entry. Reissue. What will be the entry? Whenever we'll reissue or whenever shares are issued, we'll get the money along with application. Bank account debit to equity share capital account here in this case. How many shares are reissued? 1,800 shares are reissued at rupees 7 at par. No premium, no discount, at par. So 12,600 rupees. 12,600. Right here, being 60% shares are reissued. 60% shares are reissued at par. Now the shares are reissued. Now there is balance in share forfeiture account. This is what? Capital profit. After reissuing share, the balance of share forfeiture must be transferred to where? Capital reserve account. So for that also working note is needed. So that working note is different now. See. Share forfeiture balance is given. What is the share forfeiture balance? 15,000. We'll take this 15,000. But this 15,000 share forfeiture balance is for how many shares? 3,000 shares. Right? 15,000 balance is for 3,000 shares. Share forfeiture balance. So we had reissued only 1,800 shares. So what will be the share forfeiture balance for 1,800 shares? Because we'll transfer the balance relating to this 1,800 to share forfeiture to capital reserve. So multiply it by 1,800. Cross multiplication. 15,000 into 1,800 divided by 3,000. On Calc, it is not possible to write 15,000 into 1,800. So what we will do? 15,000 divided by 3,000 multiplied by 1,800. Okay. So your calculator will not show the error. So it is how much? 9,000. 9,000 share forfeiture balance for 1800 shares. Now there is no discount. Discount is not there. If it is discount, if discount is there on reissue, we'll minus it from this. But there is no discount, so we'll transfer this 9,000 to share forfeiture from capital reserve. So what will be the journal entry for this? Third journal entry will be share forfeiture account debit 9,000 to capital reserve 9,000. Narration being balance of share forfeiture account relating to 1800 shares transferred to capital reserve account. Done. Hope you will like this video. Thank you.